Roborock 4 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. With logical navigation powered by OpticEye motion tracking and dual gyroscopes route algorithms, ensures your floor is cleaned thoroughly and efficiently. The maximum suction power of 2000 PA suction easily lifts dirt from floors. And automatic carpet boost ensures every carpet gets max power. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Control movement with magnets. Stop access to rooms or bump into fragile decor with magnetic strips that can be stuck to the ground. Number 2. The magnetic strip needs to be purchased separately. Number 3. Strong suction. Up to 2000 PA power suction delivers powerful cleaning without excessive noise. Powerful but quiet. Number 4. Automatic Carpet Boost. Carpet Boost cranks up the power of 2000 PA on carpets for a deeper clean. Easily lifts dirt. Number 5. Safer Cleaning with Sensient. The Sensient array of sensors keeps the robot away from ledges and drops for a safer clean on multi-level homes. Number 6. Automatic Top-Up Charging. When the battery is low, the robot will return to the dock to recharge, then continue from where it left off. Number 7. Low to the ground. A super slim 3.55 in tall design allows the robot to reach under beds, sofas, and other areas where dirt hides. Number 8. Optimized Edge Cleaning. E4 cleans the interiors of space first, then finishes by running close to each wall. As it does, the side brush accelerates for a deeper clean. Number 9. Anti-Entrapment Systems. As it records every movement, E4 can escape from tricky locations. Number 10. More cleaning, less emptying. A 640 ml dustbin stores up to a week of dust and can be emptied in seconds. Number 11. Washable Filter. The integrated E11 rated air filter is washable for a longer life. Number 12. Long-lasting battery. A 100% battery boost to 5200 mAh means enough energy to clean up to 2152 square feet. Number 13. Size does matter. A 640 ml dustbin stores more debris, making it easier to tackle large spaces or just empty it less often. Number 14. App and voice control. Control every element of your robot wherever you are from the My Home app. Start and stop cleanups and more with the power of your voice with Alexa and Google Home support, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. I do not have a smartphone. Will this work with a laptop or desktop computer? Answer. Usually we suggest connecting the robot with a smartphone. The robot can also work without being connected with app. You can use it by pressing the buttons on it. App can support more functions for it. Question number 2. Do you leave the mopping pad and empty tank on the machine if you only want it to vacuum? Answer. It is suggested to remove the mopping module if you want the robot to vacuum only. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.